Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selena. Today I'm going to be doing my third slime collection, and I also have one of them, the really green slime from before of my second slime video. So yeah, we're just going to do my slime collection part 3. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is the first one. I told you I still have the slime from before that I made, so this is the slime that I made from before. Just gonna get it out of this real quick. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, here's the first one. But I'm still gonna show you because it's very stretchy and it kind of dyes your hand, but I still like that, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But this is very crunchy because I have beads in it, again, so yeah. Okay, so here's my first slime, hold on. Here is the first slime. Okay, so here's the next one. It is I call this one my sour apple slime. It is the greenest. And 3 of these I made with Dawn, except this one. I made this one with borax, and this one I made with Dawn, my other 3. And this actually, I'm telling you, is the best. It honestly works the most. It's crunchy, it's stretchable, and I actually found this off of Jelly Rainbow, so go check them out. They are really cool and they always work. I tried 9 slimes, actually not 9, like 3 or 4, and right when I say this, I said this is my last one because I know they'll work, and if they don't, I'm unsubscribing, and they worked. So yeah, so this is the next slime that I made. So, yeah. My next one is this blue slime that I also made with Dawn. And this one I call my blue raspberry slime, or cotton candy slime, because it's very stretchable. It actually smells so good. It smells like Dawn. Anyway, so yeah, this one's a great one because you could stretch it, you could twist it, you could like play with it, you could smell it, you could like do the finger thing with it, and it's just so cool. You could stretch it like this. And yeah, so move on. I'm gonna call this one my swirl slime, and yeah, so I just use easy egg, whatever it's called, easy egg, which, yeah, that's how it looks. It's like a watermelon bubblegum slime, but here it is. Very stretchy and very crunchy, and yeah, it's very stretchy, very crunchy, very swirly. I don't know what to say. And actually, I did make 2 slimes for this, but then I was just like, no, this is too small, because my first slime was like this, just this. So I didn't like it like that, so I used 2 slimes. So then I was just like, hey, let me mix my 2 slimes together, and it made really good slime. So yeah. Honestly, I like this one the best. I'm gonna call this one my bubblegum slime because look at this, watch. Ready?
Did anybody put any of the dishes away from the dishwasher?
Me.
What?
But hope you guys enjoyed my 3rd slime collection video. I'm gonna want to make a 4th, but yeah, love you guys. Bye.